because this is the one word that is about to transform all your affirmations to work faster. Hello my powerful creators, welcome back to my channel. My name's Candace. If you're new here, on this channel we talk about manifestation, the law of assumption, and personal development. And I also make manifestation music, so go check that out. In today's video, I'm going to give you this one word that will transform your entire life if you use this in all your affirmations, and it is the word normal. So I want you to start using this word on a regular basis, and here's how you're going to do it. So say if you're manifesting money, you're going to start saying, it is so normal for me to manifest money fast. It is so normal for me to manifest money without even working. It is so normal for me to have so much money in my bank account. It is so normal for me to always have more than I need. See how we're saying it like that? We're saying it's so normal for you to do this. It's so normal for you to have this. Just by saying the word normal, the universe is like, okay, let me provide for them. Because they're already declaring that it's normal for them to have this. If you're manifesting your specific person, start saying out loud or write them down, it's so normal for me to be with that person, Jack, whatever their name is. It's so normal for us to have an amazing relationship. It's so normal for us to hang out all the time. It's so normal for them to message me and call me all the time. Say the word normal. If you are manifesting good health or good health for someone else, say the word normal. It's so normal for me to have good health. It's so normal for my family member to have good health. It's so normal. It's always been that way. We've always had good health. Declare it, say it, and speak it as if. If you are manifesting good grades, start saying in your affirmations, it's so normal for me to get 100% on a test. It's so normal for me to get good grades and my teacher is complimenting me on my success. It's so normal for me to not even have to study because I get such good grades automatically. It's so normal for me to memorize everything for my test, everything for my writing exam. Whatever it is, start using the word normal. If you are manifesting fame, it's so normal for me to get millions of views. It's so normal for me to get millions of followers. It's so normal for me to have so many fans. Whatever you are manifesting started with, it's so normal for me to do this, for me to have this, for me to have all these things in my life. Whatever it is, start saying it's normal for you and it will become normal quickly. I want you to get this, powerful creators. Say the word normal. Now, powerful creators, I want you to write in the comments right now your affirmation with the word normal. I want to see it. If you have a question and you're like, Candace, I'm manifesting this. What should I say? How do I say the word normal in this? Let me know. I will try to get to your question as fast as I can, your comment as fast as I can. Thank you, powerful creators, so much for watching today's video. I know it is so normal for you to watch my videos. It's so normal for you to have a great experience manifesting. It's so normal for you to manifest quickly. I'm declaring that right now. It's so normal for my powerful creators to manifest quickly. It's just normal. It's just normal. And the powerful creator of this video is Danny Lowe. Danny Lowe, thank you so much for being a part of the Powerful Creators community. I truly, truly appreciate your love and support. It means so much to me. If you would like a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification button, and comment this secret word below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for daily affirmations at Candace Nikia, or you can follow me at Daily Affirmations with Candace. I post every single day, so make sure you're over there. If you like this video, you like my next video on why you should use the word always in your affirmations. That is another powerful word. So I want you to go check that video out now. Thank you so much, powerful creators, for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Have a beautiful day.